have to firm in a life, you know. And believe in your dream, get a youth, I'm say national, no let go. Yeah, man, I come from far, I'm still a try. Never bad mind, work hard till I feel me time. Fisty them a try style, more while put pain in a me heart, but they still not see me cry. Now the game start change, them a see the sign. Man, I work hard and I pray and I study crime. Keep people out here like the weather time. I for wise, I for prudent, from you get a child. Me say me not just face our people, we quick, me show you them teeth till you get a smile. Third eye never close round you, so me no sleep from your counterfeit. Me have to recognize. Yeah. Man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Still, me not left my own, cause the crab in a barrel, you know I'm a climb out. Man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Me not left my own. Yeah, hear me? Alright, work hard then me work harder. Like the father for the Gaza or a farmer, camarader. Till the soil done make a next boy a mind my daughter. So me pray to the most high Jah the master. Long life on earth, wisdom I ask for. For make any time me elevate in a life. The enemy them rise against me no prosper. Big up my mother. Man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Still, me nah left my own, cause the crab in a barrel, them now I'm a climb out. So man, I try them best right now for the right in a life, put the best side out. Me nah left my own. Come on, I come from far, I'm still a try. Never bad mind, work hard till I feel me time. Visit them a try style, more while put pain in a me heart, but you still not see me cry. Now the game start change, them a see the sign. Man, I work hard and I pray and I study crime. Every day I'm out here, like the weather time, I for wise, I for prudent, when you get a child. Yeah, hear me? Man, I try them best right now, for the right in a life, for the best side out. Yeah, they say, hear that?
Hey, man, I try them best right now. Capable. May I tell you, hey, them artists are sound like a bus artist already. Like them gone through the gate already. As when Nero said them just there for just enter the competition for, you know what I mean? Showcase them talent, moving. Remember 100% talent Jamaica is moving artists to another level right now. Alright, so Nero Malisha, what you think about Capable performance?
I always think good because Capable never like make me have nothing else to say, really and truly. You understand? This song I know, solid and concrete right now, I can tell you if you listen to the words. Because more time I never listen to when the singers them are singing and I miss notes and stuff and when I do, you know, because practice becomes perfect. So we listen to the words that I portray. You understand? So Capable is a 9 that in my G, you know. Big man thing. The next 1% where that get to make a 10 because you know, you have to move up and down, but that's not really your style. You have to just understand that your style is different. You get me I said? So
right,
yeah, 9.
Big up Nero, what you mean? Kisha Las Vegas.
Capable, it's a 9 for me as well.
Yo, Vaz. Alright them.
Yo, Vaz. Yeah, bad artist Capable. You see me I deal tough song. You see me I deal, but watch your style I know. Me know Capable and me follow Capable up on social media. And I know what Capable is capable of. Yo, Vaz, me I deal with. So watch I know. You have iron level. As an artist, we go high, we go level. We go high, we go level. It no matter the rhythm. We just interchange. We not do it flat. We know that as artists. We never stay upon the same key throughout the song. You see me I deal with. And me see you never go your key them. And me know you key them. You know me I deal. So it's a solid 8, my God. Hold them.
Thank you for that advice, Lady Tash.
Great message it was. It's a solid 8 for me.
Alright, big up yourself, Capable, may I tell you. Hey, go and hold them, see them.